Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. We are here inside the Church of San Manuel Adventist Church. We are showing you what we have already done and finished after 2 weeks of completing the inside part of the building. We have already done with we have already done with the painting of the wall. So as you can see, but it is not yet finished. It will be finalized after we can again have a fund for it. We have already finished, almost finished the ceiling, and the tiling is next. So this is now the ceiling. We have improved also the electrical installation. So upon putting the ceiling, we together with the we finish it together with the electrical installation. So that's the back part of the church. The finishing touches is being done first before applying paint. So that's the hardiplex that is being installed in the ceiling. Maybe in 2 days, the painting in finishing of ceiling will be completed. The wall painting is not yet complete, though it was already covered with skim coat. After ceiling, and maybe we will skip the finishing of the wall because we are run out of budget. The painting, the primer and finishing of paint, the materials was already here. In fact, we have already bought them last week. So here are the materials to be used in painting the ceiling. So it's white, pure white. So that's these are the materials, and the painting materials are here also. So I would like to show you the tiles to be used here, to be installed here at the pulpit and at the audience area. So we have here the tiles already delivered, and here are the adhesive so that it will not be detached, especially when hot weather comes. So we try to make it that the tile will be installed in a good manner, so that our effort and money used on this project will not be in vain. So we would like to tell you that the help that you have given us had done a lot. We have also finished installing the sliding window, and we are trying to finish first the inside part of the church. Then the next is the outside part of the church. Aside from this, we have the things that we have included in the materials to be purchased and installed. We have also installed some, as I said a while ago, we have also installed some electrical materials to improve the inside part to be lighted. So we have also purchased sound system. The sound system is not yet brought here because the work here is very dusty. So we decided to put first the sound system in the house so that to be kept there. But after finishing this one, after putting the tiles and installing the electric connection, we will bring the sound system here. We are also planning to have air conditions for the elderly who want to be comfortable during worship hour, because as of now it is summer. Though we have electric fan here, we have solicited 4 electric fans, and I think it is 5. There is still one here to be installed here, as you can see, but it's not enough to ventilate and change the atmosphere inside. So we have decided to solicit fund for the aircon, so that if ever there are some visitors coming from cold place, they will still feel comfortable to worship here and stay here, praise God, and enjoy fellowship together with the other members. So before ending this video, I would like to show you the outside part of the church. So here is the outside part of the church. We are planning to put a span drill on that area. The toilet is not yet finished still, but it was already secured. So we are planning to put a span drill on the side part. So here is the toilet. I would like to thank church pastor, our brethren, and brother Jimmy Dapo of St. Louis Southside SD Church, Missouri, USA. The brethren of San Manuel Adventist Church would like to say thank you so much. Without you, your support, your prayers, our dream of having a church like this would not be possible, or will not come true. So I say that you are the answers to our prayer. I hope that you will not stop your missionary work, not only in our church but in other churches who are needing help like us. I pray that God will bless you, especially the source of your income, the source any venture, any career that you have. We will pray that the Lord will bless you. So with this video, I would like to say thank you so much as the leader of this church. Thank you so much, and God will bless. I hope that you will still help us improve or continue improving our church. God bless.